Моя кімната. Here is a room. What things can we see here? Вікно, картина, стіл, стілець, квіти, кухня, книги, лампа, шафа, піаніно, стіна, вазон, диван, подушка, свічка, килим. If a word ends in a consonant or in the soft sign, we can use він, he instead of this word. For example, де стіл? Він там. Such words are стіл, стілець, вазон, диван, килим. If a word ends in a or in ya, we may use the word вона, she, instead of this word. Де лампа? Вона там. Such words are лампа, картина, шафа, стіна, книга, подушка, свічка, кухня. If a word ends in o or in e, we would say воно, it, instead of this word. Де вікно? Воно там. Such words here are вікно and pianino. So, we look at the last letter of the word to define its grammatical gender in order to know which pronoun we may use instead of this word. Blue words, masculine words, are words instead of which we may use він, he. These words end in a consonant. Pink words, feminine words, are the words instead of which we may use вона, she. Such words end in a or in ya. And finally, green words, neuter words, are the words that end in or in e, instead of which we may use the pronoun it. In English, we use the pronoun it instead of all the things, and we use he or she instead of people. It's different in Ukrainian. In Ukrainian, the gender of a word has nothing to do with the physical gender of a thing, because things, objects do not have gender, that's obvious. So we look at the last letter of the word to define its gender. Note it down. If a word ends in a consonant or in the soft sign, we use він instead of such a word. Стіл, стілець. If a word ends in r or ya or in the soft sign, we use вона instead of such words. Лампа, кухня. You should be careful with the words that end in the soft sign, and you should consult the dictionary to know their gender. And finally, if a word ends in or in e, we use the word воно instead of them, like вікно. If you want to be more fluent with the noun gender, check out the course on this. The links are in the description for this video. Thank you. Дякую.